Wix AI website builder tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Wix to create your own website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know, you can create an AI website using Wix because they introduce their own AI tool that can help you create your own website. So over here you can see they have this little bubble right here that shows you. So want to change the layout, make it bolder, and there you go. So it's done. So let's go ahead and try it out. So to do that, we just simply go ahead and get started over here. Now Wix is free, but there is a pricing plan, which we'll get to end of the video. So for now, we're going to click on get started over here. And since I already have an account, I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. But if you don't, you can go ahead and continue with your Google account, your Facebook or Apple, depends on you. Or you can just simply go ahead and add your email address right here and click on continue. For now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on Google. And here we go. So as you can see, it's taken me directly over here where I have my websites, and this is your dashboard. If you see over here, you will have all of the options, such as over here, you have your own workspaces, you have all of the sites within that workspace, your resources, community, and all of that. Then on the left-hand side, you have all the other options, such as site, branded mobile app, custom templates, custom apps. You have your client express billing subscriptions and earnings and all of that, right? Now, in order to create a new website with AI, we're going to click on create a new site right here. You can go ahead and do that. So click on that button. It's going to open up in another tab. And here is where you go ahead and select. So over here, you can start with a blank canvas or start from template, or you can click over here on build on the Wix editor. If you click on it, it's going to take us over here. So right here, we can see AI. So over here, you can go ahead and set up without chat, and over here, you can start chat. So this is where you can go ahead and use the AI tool to create a website. So if you click on start chat over here, they're going to ask you, tell me what is your site about. So here you just answer the question. Over here you can skip the question or help me answer or end the conversation and click on continue, but it's better to go ahead and answer your question. So over here, tell me what your site is all about. So here just answer what it's about. So you can say like it's an e-commerce, it's a jewelry store, it's a online hot dog type of thing, or it's an online burger shop, or a restaurant website, whatever it is. You can go ahead and add it over here. So we'll just say that it is an e-commerce website, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to click on done. It is an e-commerce website. And now it's going to go ahead and ask us the next question. So this is basically how it's going to work, right? They're going to ask you some question, you're going to answer the question, and then it's going to give you some templates, and then you can go ahead and edit those templates as well. So now, what is your site's name? So you can over here, so you're gonna over here enter the site's name. So we're just gonna say Urban Threads is the name, and we're gonna hit enter. Give it a couple of seconds to load up the next question, which is now what type of product will you be selling? So here, as you can see, we have this small preview of the website profile. So here we're gonna sell hoodies. So we're just simply gonna type that. We're gonna sell hoodies, and we're gonna sell shirts, t-shirts to be specific. But yeah, we're gonna sell t-shirts, hoodies, and we're gonna sell, what is that name of those types of shirt? Like crew necks? I don't know. But I think we're good with this. So over here, we're going to sell hoodies, t-shirts, and we'll also sell some jeans as well. And jeans as well. There you go. And after that, of course, you can add whatever you want, but we're good with these three for now. And then we'll click on the next button, and then it's going to load up the next question. Now there are a lot of questions. So over here, do you have any specific sale target or revenue goal for your commerce store? You can skip this question for now. So we're gonna skip this. I want to skip this question. I want to answer that because we right now we don't have any goals. Then it's gonna ask you, can you tell me more about your brand's unique selling point? Well, we're selling unique clothes that aren't accessible right now in the market. So we'll just say we're selling streetwear. So we're gonna add that. Not streetwear, it's actually tech wear. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. So our unique selling point is going to be tech wear. So we're just simply gonna go ahead and do that. Our brand's unique selling point is tech wear. So we're gonna click on that because there aren't a lot of websites available for tech wear. It depends on you, whatever you want to add. But yeah, once you're done with that, we can go ahead and there you go. So as you can see, you're all set. Next, we can go ahead and see our personalized dashboard. So here you can see the preview as well. So now let's go ahead and click on go to dashboard. And over here, it's preparing the dashboard, installing the apps, generating custom products, and creating our personalized setup. It's gonna go ahead and load it up now. So as you can see, it's loading up. All right, so here you have your custom domain, stitchmetropolis.com. So it already gave us the domain name, and we can go ahead and go with that if we want to. So as you can see, the AI tool is very good. Now let's go ahead and click on design site over here on this button and see what it is about. So here you can go ahead and generate a design with the AI tool or customize with a template. We're gonna of course go with the AI tool. We're gonna click on generate a design for us. So it's loading up right here. Let it load up. And once it's done that, we are good to go. So here you can see a small preview of the site. And over here, we're generating urban threads, your clothing sites. So we've already answered some of these questions, right? So we've already given a brief profile. So over here, as you can see, based on your site profile, urban threads, clothing stores, site structure, and all of that, it's going to give us a pretty decent layout over here. So as you can see, it's loading up. So over here, it says your site theme will feature modern fonts and understand neutral design in shades of cream and beige, which is pretty good. So its layout will include a sophisticated design of overlapping elements. So as you can see, it's loading up right here, and there we go. So it looks pretty good. This is really, really good. Of course, some of the elements aren't that great, like the shirts aren't that great. We can clearly see that these mockups and these shirts are AI. But other than that, this image looks pretty good. Of course, it's also AI. You can tell by the hands over here. If you look at it like now, it doesn't feel like it's AI, especially this one. I think this is pretty real because of the details right here in the hands. I think it's pretty cool. But you can tell this one is AI as well because of the shoes and the hands over here and this little thing, whatever that is. And of course, the shirts. A lot of stuff to do, but we can go ahead and always change the images. But you can check out the layout right here. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. We have our thumbs, we have our fonts right here, our home button and shops over here. So now if you think this is good, you can go ahead and click on continue with design. If you don't think this is good, you want to make it a little bit different or regenerate site, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and say make it a little bit different. So let's see what design it comes up when we do that. So let's see what little difference will it make. All right, so it's generated another design for us to look at. So as you can see, this one is a little bit different, although it does use most of the same stuff, but some of those elements are different and new, but it looks pretty good. So once you're done with your design, once you feel like, okay, this design is perfect, we'll just simply go ahead and click on continue with the design. And here you can go ahead and add your site. So here you can go ahead and continue with the editor or set up your business. So now you have two options. But before we continue, of course, you want to edit it with the editor because, as good as AI is, it's not completely perfect yet. So we need to make some changes onto the website. Here we go. It's loading up. As you can see, it's adding to the Wix store. So we'll just wait for it to finish. And there we go. So it's now finished. And now it's loading up all of the elements. And once it's loaded up, we are good to go. So now we can go ahead and edit it out. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of stuff to do. So here is the product management or the product manager over here, where we can go ahead and manage our products. Here we have special offers. Here we have the images right here. So as you can see, now it looks much better. I feel like they've used real images now before they didn't use. And we have some more options right here. So it looks pretty empty right here. This is our section right here. We can go ahead and delete this or edit it out. You can go ahead and add like an about me section, which it is kind of, so it's our story, but it's empty, so you can add stuff to it. So to add stuff to it, all you have to do is click on this plus button right here, which will have the add elements option, and you can go ahead and add a bunch of different elements to it. So you can add images, buttons, galleries, socials, blogs, stores, events, whatever you want. So you are good to go. And then down below you have some categories of what type of options you want. So restaurants, community, my designs are going to be over here. You have CMS payments as well. So you can add whatever element you want and you should be good to go. And once it's done, once your website is ready, once you've finalized all the changes, all you have to do is click on the preview button to preview it, and make sure to hit the save button as well to save. So currently we're going to click on that. And now we are in the preview section right here where we can preview our website. So once that's done, as you can see, we have these little animation as stuff going on as well, which is kind of like. And once that's done, all you have to do is click on the publish button, and there we go. Your website is now published, and you have officially created an AI website, or you have created a website with the help of Wix AI tool. So now you are good to go. After that, you can go ahead and upload your products. You can finalize your images, change it up, add some text to it, and you are good to go. So Very simple. This is how I do it. This is how you create a website using Wix AI tool. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.